Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you that how to convert long video into short video highlight in Wondershare Filmora 11. As you know, Wondershare Filmora 11 is the latest version of Filmora and it is a powerful video editor. I have a 3 minutes long video. For that we have to make a short 60-second video. So you must have seen many such a video in which 1 minute highlights is shown before the video shorts like movie trailer, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, Facebook reels. Today I have come to talk about this. Before continuing this video, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Let's continue to this video. Many new features have been added in Wondershare Filmora 11. One of them is also the features of creating a highlight option. So if you have a Filmora 11, then you can easily make a short video to your long video. If not, then there is a link to the video in the description below. From there you can download Wondershare Filmora 11. So let's go ahead and find out how to convert long video to short video. I have added a video of duration category here and put it in the timeline. Let's know how to convert it into short video and highlight video. Here is the export button is visible. Click the export button. There are a lot of options on happening here. Here you can see below that the option of auto highlights is being shown. So check the box to the generate additional highlight video. This option is not available in Wondershare Filmora 9 and 10. So here is the drop down box. You are seeing this option auto 50-second TikTok, 60-second YouTube shorts, customize as many seconds of highlights as you want, like 30 seconds, yeah, 50 seconds, so yeah, 35, yeah, 15. You can enter here. I have select 60-second YouTube shorts option. Converting will take some time, so I will pause this video till. Convert is completed. It is taking automatically. Let's it be. It's complete. Let's see how it is made. done. The video has been converted and the highlight has been created as well. So guys, you can easily create video highlights in Wondershare Filmora 11. You can do it without working hard again. So guys, how did you like this video? Comment in the comment box of this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. So guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.